224. It's like calling bingo, this, isn't it? 224. Come in, number 224. Well, he's waiting. Waiting with eagerness, because his next run will be second of the three, running the Akai Yamaha livery. So it's Gary Pickering.